Hi everyone, it's Lavinia. It's time for another floral Zentangle. I have my little floral sketchbook here. I have a Micron 05 pen in black. I have a graphite pencil. This is the Zentangle one, but any graphite pencil number 2 would be fine. I do have here a tortillon because I may be adding some shading. You don't have to, but you can use a Q-tip if you wanted to, and you don't have one of these blending stumps. I have my eraser and my little duster. I don't know if I'm going to be using the pencil to actually draw the Zentangle, so I may not necessarily need these two, but they are always here on my desk. Now this Zentangle is called Keeta. So I'm going to put the name of it here. It's Keeta. And this was designed by Sarah Harrison. She is not a CZT, but she does Zentangles and submits them to be called Zentangles. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. And this is kind of like where if you wanted to do maybe more than one, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm not going to put a border. I'm just going to go ahead and start drawing this. So we're going to start with 3 orbs. See if I can come closer. So just three orbs, and then we're going to add another 3 like that. And then we're going to start drawing a curved line. So just a curve like that. And then we're going to add another one. And then this gets connected. So that's the first petal. Then the second one. And then you connect those. And then the third one. And then the next thing you're going to do is just give these an aura here. So going to create that aura. And now we're going to give these petals an aura. So you'll just start going around those petals. Then we'll do this one. Come down like that. And then this last one. That might have been a little bit wacky or wonky, but that's okay. And then for the final addition, we're going to draw a stem and then an orb. And that is Keeta. And from what Sarah had said is that one night she was up and saw, I guess, a tool. I don't know if it was called Makita, and she liked Keeta, and that's what she decided to name this Zentangle. So I'm going to go ahead and add another one. I'm just going to draw these orbs. And then 3 smaller ones. This one, so for example, maybe I might want to just go around first and draw the 3 and then come back and draw the connecting one. So whatever is easier for you, you might want to try one and then the other, the other way. So we have those 3 petals, and then we're going to give it that orb. excuse me, that aura along the orbs. And then we're going to give the petals an aura. And this is just a simple Zentangle. You can always add your own variations or tangulations. Perhaps you want to add a stem, perhaps you want to decorate, the inside, add more of these little stems coming out. I think, let's see, maybe I will add some shading right now, but maybe I will add a stem. And maybe it's got an odd shaped leaf. Let's see, what can we do for a leaf? I kind of want to make it comparable, I guess, to the stem, or excuse me, to the petals here. Maybe just something different. And then maybe there's another stem coming that way. But let me go ahead and grab the pencil, and as far as for where I might want to add shading is going to be here in the center. So I think I will do that. I think I'll add it also here, and perhaps here on the inside. And we'll take a look and see how it turns out. You can always start out lightly and then add more. And by adding shading, it just gives it a different look. I also sometimes like using pastel pencils. That is nice. I do like that with the addition of the graphite. I think I'm going to add some down here. Just want it to be a little bit darker there. And just look at the difference. Let me zoom out a little bit. By adding the graphite and then just with the black ink. And I think I'll keep that this way, just as a comparison with and without. Maybe I'll add just a little touch. I do have other blending stumps that have a finer point. This one is a little bit too blunt. But that is it. That is Keeta by Sarah Harrison. And I hope you give this one a try as well. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.